Every way modern civilization could collapse, explained. Modern civilization appears powerful, advanced, and stable. Humanity has built massive cities, global communication systems, advanced technology, financial networks, transportation systems, and complex supply chains connecting billions of people around the world. But despite this progress, modern civilization may be far more fragile than many people realize. Throughout history, powerful societies have collapsed unexpectedly through combinations of war, economic instability, environmental disaster, disease, political division, and resource shortages. Today, we're exploring some of the biggest ways modern civilization could potentially collapse and why experts study these risks seriously. One major threat involves global economic collapse. Modern economies are deeply interconnected. Banks, supply chains, energy systems, transportation networks, and international markets all depend on stability and trust. Large financial crises can rapidly spread across countries and industries. If enough systems fail simultaneously, shortages, unemployment, panic, and political instability could escalate very quickly. Another major danger is cyber warfare. Modern civilization relies heavily on digital infrastructure. Power grids, communication systems, hospitals, transportation systems, water supplies, and financial institutions all depend on computer networks. Large-scale cyber attacks could potentially disrupt essential systems at massive scale. Some experts believe future wars may increasingly involve digital attacks instead of traditional battlefields. Another major concern is pandemics. Human history has repeatedly been shaped by deadly diseases. Modern travel allows viruses to spread globally faster than ever before. A highly contagious and deadly pandemic could overwhelm healthcare systems, disrupt economies, and destabilize societies around the world. Another major threat is environmental collapse. Climate change, deforestation, pollution, biodiversity loss, and resource depletion all place increasing pressure on ecosystems that human civilization depends on. Food production, clean water access, and environmental stability are essential for large populations to survive. Another disturbing possibility is artificial intelligence disruption. Advanced AI systems may eventually automate enormous portions of human labor. If technological progress moves faster than social adaptation, major economic instability and unemployment could emerge across many industries. Some experts also worry about misinformation and social fragmentation. Modern societies are increasingly influenced by social media propaganda, algorithmic manipulation, political polarization, and information warfare. When populations lose trust in institutions, governments, or each other, societies can become deeply unstable. Another major vulnerability involves global supply chains. Many countries rely heavily on international trade for food, medicine, fuel, electronics, and manufacturing. Even small disruptions can create shortages. Large-scale disruptions could rapidly affect billions of people. Another terrifying reality is how dependent modern humans have become on complex systems most people barely understand. Electricity, internet infrastructure, satellite systems, banking networks, and logistics systems all work together constantly behind the scenes. If enough critical systems failed simultaneously, modern civilization could change dramatically within a very short period of time. Perhaps the most important thing to understand is that collapse does not necessarily happen instantly. Historically, civilizations often weaken gradually over time before major crises finally expose underlying vulnerabilities. The truth is that modern civilization is both incredibly advanced and surprisingly fragile. And understanding humanity's vulnerabilities may become one of the most important challenges of the future. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more difficult topics simply explained. And comment which threat you think poses the greatest risk to civilization.